Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says x equals 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus dot 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 this. And it is up to 49 terms. So, how we will handle this situation? Try to understand. First, make sure that your question is in the form of 9. Suppose you will have a question in terms of 8 means 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay. So in this scenario, what you have to do, and it will also be till certain terms. So you have to convert this question into 9. So how will you do that? First, you will take 8 common. You will be left with 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to multiply and divide by 9. So it will become 8 by 9. This thing will become 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9. Done. Now you are done. Now you can solve this question. Okay, so if you'll have 6, you know how to manipulate. 7, how you know how to manipulate. Okay, now let's back to question. We have to handle x. So x is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, and this thing will keep on going till 49 terms. Okay, so look at this, how we will manipulate things. So what we will do, we will convert this question into tens. So can I write this thing is 10 minus 1 plus 100 minus 1 plus 1000 minus 1 plus this minus 1 plus, and this thing will keep on going. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are comfortable. Now what you have to do, you have to club tens. So can I write 10, 10 square, 10 cube, 10 power 4 dot dot dot. Now I will take minus common from ones. Okay, so you are here. Now if you'll observe the first part, it is in GP, the GP of 49 terms whose first term is 10, common ratio is 10. So can I write A r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1? Is that okay? Minus, this will be 49 because there are 49 ones, because there are 49 terms. Okay, so this is done. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.